And this cowl, this is the same cowl that came off of the truck that we scrapped, that the hood came from. Yeah, it's not going so hot. Might just be a temperature thing, or it might just be the fact that I cleaned it with acetone instead of lacquer.
The first time the old Flat Thunder truck has moved out of the garage since the radiator support repair. We've been really kind of dragging our feet. Took a long time to get the radiator support in, and then we got a couple other projects and things that got in the way. Here we are though, finally making forward progress. We got some alignment and some tweaks to do, but she is looking really good. We got the fenders, replacement fenders. We had to tweak this corner because we dropped it while we were storing it over those years and bent that up, dollied that back down. Doesn't look too bad. Before it was kind of kinked out like that. Here's our hood repair. Looks like we'll have to do a little bit more finessing on that, make it look nice and perfect. Right now the hood isn't latched all the way down. Got little body lines here, a little bit of a large gap here, here to here. We might tweak this fender a little bit. And then we got the door hinge repair. Everything looks nice and good there. Super happy with that. We're making steps in the right direction. We need to get Dad over here to help get this grill and the headlight bezels and everything back in place. I don't really remember how all that goes. Get that in place, make a couple of tweaks and adjustments here, and then we'll be ready to get somebody to paint it. Unless we want to keep it like this. You know, we got a white hood, a two-tone blue cab, black primer fenders, white cowl. I mean, that could be a cool look, right?
Well, we finally got everything far enough along so we can get the whole front end put back together here. We got Dad here. He's going to show us how it's done because I didn't take it apart, and I don't remember anything, even if I did. So he's here. He's going to help us put this back together, and hopefully we'll have a complete front end again. Here we go. See it? Gets from wider from about here up and then really wide right there.
Well, this door has some trouble. Got dents in it and that. See it?
Oh yeah. I do see it, yeah, it's got a big dent there and then kind of a cup here. So that may be what's making that look bad.
We can't get this to go down.
I think we need to address this first. This is too tight. Ah.
Hold that shim off a little bit.
I think it's whopper jawed here, making it look like it's tighter here because it's shoved in. But here it's just a little bit too wide.
Okay.
I gotta tighten this bottom one too.
What are you getting?
13.
A little bit more. Not a lot.
Oh man, that looks
I think if we put that thing down a little bit.
up just a shade.
Is the hood shut?
I think it is. No. Down a little bit, yeah. That needs to come up shade. Get a little.
Dang it.
Alright, let's trade sides.
Huh?
Trade sides, I don't want to hit you in the face with the hammer. Ready? No, hold the board where you want it. Enough for me. I like it.
You can tell it's something off here. Wider than this.
Does that have adjustment?
I don't think it does. I think it might have a little bit on. Yeah, because the clip's in there.